Hello everyone and welcome back to module 1 of JavaScript. In this session we'll learn all about introduction to JavaScript. So let's begin. So first we'll see introduction, that is advantages of JavaScript, and then some limitations and disadvantages of JavaScript. So let's start. Advantages of JavaScript, in which the first is interoperability. Now what is the meaning of this word interoperability? The meaning is the capability of different language to natively interact as a part of same system and operates on the same kind of data structure. That is, as we know, two languages, that is HTML, CSS, C++ or Java, any other languages have its own data types and data structure. So JavaScript has a capability to interact with the other languages as well and to work as a same system. JavaScript works perfectly with other programming languages and therefore numerous developers prefer it in developing many applications. We can embed it into any web pages or inside the script of another web page. Next advantage is server load. Now, the word load refers to the number of processes waiting in a queue to access a computer process. As JavaScript operates on the client side, the data validation is possible on the browser itself, rather than sending it off to the server. In case of any disturbance, the whole website need to be reloaded. The browser updates only the selected segment of the page and the rest of the website remains as it is. Next advantage is simplicity. JavaScript is easy to understand and learn. The structure is simple for the user as well as developer. It is also very feasible to implement, saving developer a lot of money for developing a dynamic content. Our next advantage is browser compatibility. The biggest advantages to JavaScript is having the ability to support all modern browsers and produce an equivalent results. So it can be supported in any browser. If you run across any browser, it will work same with some different changes. And last advantages is platform independency. Regardless of every and very different languages and different platform we use nowadays, JavaScript will always execute on the client environment to save lots of bandwidth and make execution process faster. As JavaScript runs on our own system, it doesn't require any other interface to interact with the platform and create a discrepancy. So the platform independency is the best factor of JavaScript. Now let's move to disadvantages of JavaScript. Now, first disadvantages is client-side security. Since the JavaScript code is viewable to the user, other may use it for the wrong purpose. The practice may include using the source code without authentication. Also, it is very easy to place some code into the site that compromise the security of data over the website. So this is some limitation of a JavaScript, that the user, if we visit to a particular website, we can easily view the code of a JavaScript. So this is very harmful and the user can do some changes into your website as well. Next disadvantages is lack of debugging facilities. Though some HTML editors support debugging, it is not as efficient as other editors like C and C++. Also, as the browser doesn't show any error, it is difficult for the developer to detect the problem. Then, next advantage is single inheritance. JavaScript only supports single inheritance and not multiple inheritance. Some programs may require this object-oriented language to fetch the particular classes or particular inheritance program to another class program. And last is rendering stoppage. A single code error can stop the rendering of the entire JavaScript code on the website. That means if a particular part of a code is wrong or it has an error, so it will stop the whole site for working. It will not show any corresponding sites or any corresponding image on your website. So this was some advantages and disadvantages of JavaScript. Thank you.